In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Zoom on Windows 10. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now first thing you need to do is to open your search browser. Now personally I'm going to open Google Chrome. Then on the search for Zoom. Then ensure that you choose the correct link, the first link, zoom.com. Then it will bring you to this homepage. Now as you can see on the top there, we have plans and pricing. So there is a free version for Zoom. Scroll down. Then at the bottom here you are going to see download. Now just click on it. Then here we have Zoom Workplace for Windows. Then at the bottom here there are also other download options. We have Zoom plugin for Microsoft Outlook. We also have Zoom extension for browser, and Zoom for conference, and also a controller for Zoom Rooms. Now you are going to choose this one, Zoom Workplace for Windows. Now you are going to download in accordance to your system requirement. Now in order to know your operating system type, you need to just open your Windows Explorer. Just press on Windows icon and E. Then your Windows Explorer will be open. Then go to on your left, go to this PC. Then right click on it. Then go to properties. Then now here is where you can see your system type. As you can see, mine, it is 64-bit. So check for yours, and then you will go and download in accordance to your system requirement. So I'm going to click on download 64-bit. Then as you can see, the download has begun here. Let us just wait for it to finish. Now once the download is complete, you just need to click on the file. Just click on it once. Then this pop-up will come up. Now click on run. Now once the installation has finished, you need to go back. Then click on done. Then you can sign up or sign in if you have an account, or you can just join a meeting. Or a lot of times they always send a link for joining the meeting. If you click on the link, Zoom automatically will open that link for you, and you'll be able to join the meeting. So that's it guys. That's how you can download Zoom on Windows 10. Now if this video has helped you out, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.